Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make the perfect steak at home. And there are a few tips that I want you to follow to get the best result. Okay, first thing, put your steak on a rack and let it have good ventilation. And then with a paper towel, tap dry the surface of your steak to get rid of extra moisture. Okay, use coarse salt and pepper on both sides and let it season well. And tip number 3, leave it out for at least 45 minutes. Let it absorb the salt and pepper. And remember, if you're gonna add a cold steak to your heated oil, it's gonna bring down the oil temperature, which make the steak loses its juice. And you will end up having a hard steak. Okay. On a medium-high heat, I added canola oil. You can use any oil that you want, but just choose the one with the high smoke point. And this is really important because if you use oil with low smoke point like olive oil or butter, it will burn fast. You will end up having a lot of smoke in your kitchen. Tip number 4, make sure the oil temperature is 400 before you put the steak on. Yeah, it is 400. And I'm gonna add my beautiful steak. And remember, you don't have to keep flipping it back and forth. Just let it cook on one side for at least 3 minutes and then flip it over. And after about 3 minutes, I turn it over. Wow, look at this. Look at this beautiful crust. By the way, this is about 1-inch steak, so 3 minutes on each side is enough at the beginning. Then I'll add 1 or 2 minutes with herbs and butter. Alright, 3 more minutes on the other side. And now, turn the heat a little bit slow. I'm gonna add some fresh thyme and garlic. Now, a piece of room temperature butter. Tip number 6. Measure the temperature of the middle part of the steak and it should match the level of doneness that you prefer. From rare to well done, whatever you like. Remember, there's no right and wrong about that. It's your steak, you eat it the way you like. Okay, my steak is ready. I'm gonna put it on the cutting board and let it sit for at least 5 minutes. Alright, I'm gonna add my steak on the cutting board and let it sit for, put it this way, let it sit for at least 5 minutes. I'm gonna add some juice stuff here. And the reason why I'm letting it sit for 5 minutes is because if I cut it when it's hot, it will lose its juice and you will end up having a hard steak. So let it sit for 5 minutes. Alright, now after 5 more minutes, take this out. I'm gonna cut my steak. Oh, look at that. How beautiful is that? Medium cooked, the way I like it. And if you are stingy and you don't want to share your steak with anybody, you can add it directly to your plate and start slicing it. And finally, tip number 8, trust yourself. You can do it. You know guys, my slogan in this channel is if I can do it, everyone can do it. So trust yourself, follow these tips, and I'm sure you will get a very, very good steak. Perfect. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe. This will help the channel a lot. Thanks again for watching the video, and I'll see you in next videos.